see if I can try to recreate Hailey Bieber's Sugar Plum Fairy makeup look. So I know Hailey didn't do this, but I am a full coverage girl and I'm dealing with some hyperpigmentation. Like, I am going in with a foundation. Sorry, girl, it'd be like that. The main focus of this look really is the blush. So I'm gonna go in first with a powder blush and then intensify with a cream blush. And that definitely looks like something. Then she took her finger and kind of applied a sparkly shade to her lid, adding a gloss for a little more shimmer. Okay, then she went for her brows. This is the viral freckle pen that all the girls love. Okay, then Hailey goes in with kind of like a brownish lip liner. And here's the final look.